Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about Tradol, also known as tramadol. Let's get started. Tradol is a medicine that is mainly used to relieve moderate to severe pain. It is commonly prescribed after surgery, an injury, or to treat chronic conditions like arthritis. Do you suffer from any of these conditions? Tradol could be a good option for you. How does it work? Tradol acts on the central nervous system, changing the way your brain interprets pain. In other words, it doesn't completely eliminate pain, but it makes it easier to bear. Let's talk about the dosage. Normally, you start with a low dose that can be gradually increased as needed. It is very important that you follow your doctor's instructions and never take more than what you have been prescribed. What about side effects? Some of the most common are dizziness, nausea, and drowsiness. While taking Tradol, avoid driving or operating heavy machinery. And of course, if you notice any bothersome side effects, do not hesitate to consult your doctor. Finally, here are some tips. Always take Tradol exactly as your doctor tells you. Do not mix it with alcohol or other medications without consulting first. And remember that this video is for informational purposes only. Your doctor is the best person to advise you about this medication. That's all for today. I hope this information has been helpful. See you soon.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.